Most Africans are not poor because of bad luck. They are poor because of repeated daily habits that silently drain wealth before it can ever be built. Today, I am going to show you 10 of those habits. And if you recognize yourself in any of them, do not feel shame. Feel awareness, because awareness is where change begins. Welcome back to African Wealth Code, where we teach everyday Africans how to build real wealth from nothing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos every Friday. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. The problem is nothing is ever left. Wealthy people save first and spend what remains. This single reversal changes everything about how money accumulates in your life. Borrowing money to buy food, clothes, phones, or pay for parties is one of the most destructive financial habits there is. You are spending tomorrow's money on today's pleasures, and tomorrow always arrives with interest attached. Without an emergency fund, every unexpected expense becomes a financial crisis. A hospital bill, a car breakdown, a sudden job loss. Without a financial buffer, these events push you deeper into debt every single time they happen. Many Africans spend hours consuming entertainment, but zero time learning about money. Every hour invested in understanding how money works returns more value than almost any other investment you can make. Generosity is a beautiful African value, but giving money you do not have, to maintain appearances, to avoid shame, to meet social pressure, is slowly bankrupting millions of families across the continent. Every year, millions of Africans lose their savings to investment schemes promising impossible returns. If something sounds too good to be true in finance, it always is. Wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Relying on one source of income is one of the most financially dangerous positions you can be in. One job lost means everything lost. Start building additional income streams, however small, before you desperately need them. Small daily expenses are the silent killers of wealth. The small purchases that feel insignificant add up to enormous amounts over a month. Track every CDI for 1 month and you will be shocked at where your money is actually going. There is no perfect time to start saving, investing, or building a business. The perfect time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Every month you wait is a month of compounding growth you will never recover. What gets measured gets managed. If you never review your financial progress, you never know if you are moving forward or backwards. Set aside time every month to review your numbers and adjust your plan accordingly. 10 habits, all of them common, all of them fixable. The difference between where you are and where you want to be financially is often just a collection of small daily decisions made consistently over time. Break these habits one by one. Replace them with habits that build. Share this with someone who needs to see this today. Subscribe to African Wealth Code for more every Friday. And remember, wealth is not luck, it is a code. And today you just learned another piece of it. See you next Friday.